Video is mirrored. For step 1, step to the left, then step to the right. Then sway your body to the right, left, right, left. Bend your right knee, then up, bend and up. Cross your right leg and jump. Come back, cross and jump. This is the hand movement. Now for the legs, bend slightly and open and close your knees. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the same step forward and back, forward and back. Step right, right, left, left. Then step to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump to the right and sway your body 2 times. 1, 2. Jump to the left, sway your body 2 times. Then step to the right, step to the left. Then your right leg goes back. 1, 2, 3. Open your arms. Then down and up, down and up. Step to the right, step to the left. Again, down and up, down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the last step, just move one leg at a time and your hands go from side to side. Then turn your head. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, add a pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front and back, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left. 1, 2, 3 and open your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, pose.